Good morning students, welcome to mathematics class. Today we are going to study chapter 9 halves and quarters. From your workbook today we will study workbook. So what is fraction? The fraction, when a whole is divided into some certain equal parts and each part is called a fraction. What is fraction? The whole. What is fraction? Fraction is a whole is divided certain equal parts. Certain equal parts. Each part is a fraction. Fraction of the whole. Fraction में a fraction is when whole is divided into certain equal parts. Each part is a fraction of that whole. You know that? Suppose this is a whole. It is divided into two equal parts. 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 is the means. What is the meaning of that? One part is out of two parts. Then that is fraction. Now, if when an object is divided into two equal parts, that is called half part. It is called half part. When the object is divided into two equal parts, then each part is called half part. That is written as 1 by 2. Next, when the whole part is divided into four equal parts. Suppose the whole part is divided into four equal parts, is written as 1 by 4. It is called quarter part. It is called quarter part. Do you understand? A object is divided equal into two parts, that is called half part. That is 1 by 2, written as 1 by 2. A whole part is divided into four equal parts, that is called quarter part. That is called 1 by 4. That when an object is divided into four equal parts, 3 by 4 parts are called, 3 parts are denoted, 3 parts are denoted as 3 by 4 or 3/4. See, an object is divided into four equal parts and 3 parts are denoted as 3/4 of the whole. Do you understand that? Next, come to the fraction. Fraction means 1 by 2 or 1 by 4 like this. Means this here, this above the numeral is called the numerator. It is tells the how many parts it is divisible. Number of parts of the whole, that is called numerator. What is the meaning of numerator? Numerator is the above the bar. See, both the numbers divided by bar is there. This bar, this above numeral number is called numerator, and below the numeral, that is below the bar, is the numerator. Which one is called denominator? Do you understand this one or not? Here 1 by 2 is there. Half part means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a fraction, and in this fraction, if this bar is divided by these two. So this bar, above the bar, what numeral? This is the numeral. What numeral is there called? That is called numerator. And this under the bar, what numeral is called there? That is called denominator. And the denominator tells the number of parts whole is there. The number of parts the whole is divided into. So here number of parts divided into 2. That's it, the denominator is 2. Here number of parts is divided into 4. So denominator is 4. Like that way, number of parts divided a whole. A whole divided into number of parts. That is called denominator. And numerator means the how many parts of the whole that are being divided. This is numerator and denominator. Do you understand now? Let us study the shaded areas. Suppose see, this is the figure. It is divided into 4 equal parts. Suppose this is shaded. Then how many parts are shaded? 1 part shaded. Total whole parts how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how will write that? 1 part is shaded out of 4 parts. So 1 by 4. It is a quarter. So 4 parts are there. 1 part is shaded. This is the shaded part. Now suppose this is divided into 3 equal parts. Then see, how we write the fraction mean? First the whole part is divided into 3 equal parts, that is denominator. Then how many parts are shaded? Here 2 parts are shaded. So out of 2 parts out of 3 parts. So 2 parts are shaded in the whole part. Whole part is how many are there? 3. So 2 by 3. Like that way, shaded portion I have to write. Suppose see here this is divided into 6 parts. So shaded portion. How much is that? 2 parts are shaded. Then how will write? 2 then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total is 6. 6 parts divided. So 2 by 6. Like that you have to write. Then it is, see, this is figure is divided into 3 equal parts. 1 part is only shaded. Then how will write? 1 part is shaded out of how many parts? 3 parts. Like that way, shaded portion we have to show that. Right. Now let us see the book. Revision capsule, page number 50. Let us see revision capsules in your workbook, page number 50. Here given what fraction does the shaded area show? Here see this figure is there. It is divided with 4 equal parts and 1 part is shaded. Then what fraction it is? It is 1 by 4. Out of 4, 1 portion is shaded. So 1 by 4 is that. Then this 4 number is right. So put the tick mark here. Then next B, then this figure is divided into 3 equal parts. So 2 parts are shaded. Then how you will write the fraction? 2 parts you have to write in the numerator and the total parts how many are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts are there. So 2 by 3 is the fraction. So this is second portion is right. You put the tick mark here. Then next come to the what part, second question. What part of the whole is shaded? Right below each shape. So it is, you have to write what shape it is there. This is 2 half of half. 1, 2, 3, 4 means out of 4, 2 are shaded. Then what part is there? 1 half of the part is shaded. Then number B, it is half. This much is shaded. Full there and half. So it is also half you have to write. Then next number C, it is how many parts this is divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 parts total is there. 12 parts. Then how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 12. Do you understand now? Now next this one is divided with 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is denominator, total parts. Then how many parts are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So shaded portion is 5. So 5 by 8. So second question is what part of the whole is shaded? Right below each shape. Here 1 by 2 half will come. Another way is there. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. Out of 4, 2 is shaded. Like this way also you have to write. No problem. Same. 2 by 4. or 1 by 2. Then this is 1 by 2, okay, and this is, see, it is suppose 12 is there and 9 is shaded, that is also right. Another way is divided with 4 equal parts, then each equal part is how much is there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, like this way. Then it will come 3 parts out of 4. Like this, 3 parts are shaded out of 4. Next, it is see, 8 parts are there. Out of 8, 5 parts is shaded. This is 6. Okay. Now let's come to the next page, 3. Next, this is shade the one half of these shapes. Here, shapes given, you have to shaded it. See, it is 4 parts are there. 1 half means half of parts is shaded. Like this way, you have to shade. Any 2. Okay, half part. Like this way, do yourself next on questions. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Any 2 you have to shade. Any 2. Like this way, this is also 4 are there. Any 2 you have to shade. Like this way, you also, this is shade any 2 parts. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Half means 6 by 2. It will come 3. So 3 portions you have to shade. Then like this way, this is also you have to divide, shade half part. So half part, this way you do. Next, Renu got a chocolate. She divided it equally and gave half to her friends Ruchi. This is the chocolate. It is, how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pieces are there. She, Renu got a chocolate. She divided it equal to the her friends Ruchi. Then circle the portion that Ruchi got. So how many will get? 10 by 2 means half, 5. So 5 you have to round it. Any 5. 5 chocolates Ruchi got. 5 chocolates. Round it. No need to write. Then how many pieces of chocolate are there? How many are there total? Totally 10. You have to write here 10. How many pieces were left with Renu? 5 pieces given to Ruchi, and then how much left? 10 minus 5 equal to 5. So it is right 5. Okay. Now come to the number 5. So for each of the following figures, write the fractions showing shaded portion. Fractions you have to write. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 portion, only 1 is shaded. So how will you write? 1 by 8. 1 portion is shaded out of 8. Like that way you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total is 8. How many portions are shaded? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 8. Like that way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 portions are there total. So now how many are shaded? 1 and 2. So 2 by 6 or 1 by 3. Then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total is 9. How many portions are shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 you have to write. Then here 4 by 9. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is denominator. Total is 5. How many portions are shaded? 2. 2 by 5. Like that way 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is there. And how many portions are shaded? 2. Like this way you have to do. Up to this much today we will teach. Next class we will study some more numbers. Thank you.